Have you ever wondered why your money doesn't go as far as it used to, or how the entire economy works? Well, stick around for a quick and clear guide to basic economic concepts explained in simple, everyday terms. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before you leave. Hey there, I just wanted to remind you that I will be posting every Monday and every Friday of every week, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my YouTube Talks. Let's step right into the bustling market of commodities, where items are so interchangeable. It's like sock magic, one size fits all. Commodities are the foundational goods that make the world spin faster than a hamster on an exercise wheel. They are like the vanilla ice cream of economics, basic, essential, and they go with everything. Let's start with energy commodities. Think of them as the espresso shots of the industrial world. Things like crude oil, natural gas, and coal that keep engines roaring and lights blazing. Without them, you might be cooking your dinner over a candle. Agricultural commodities are the veggies, grains, and espresso beans of life. From wheat and corn to soybeans and coffee, they're not just farm to table, they're farm to everything you know. Metal commodities have inspired ages of treasure hunts. These include precious metals like gold and silver, great for that bling or hoarding under your mattress, and industrial metals like copper and aluminum, which are basically the unsung heroes of your plumbing and your soda cans. Soft commodities like sugar, cocoa, and livestock. Oh my, they're the sweet, chocolatey, and sometimes mooing, I'm backing down. Mooing backbone of food production and consumer goodies. Trading commodities is a whirlwind of supply and demand, and the drama of geopolitical events, a bit like trying to plan a picnic in spring. Prices fluctuate and markets speculate, but hey, that's what keeps traders on their toes and economists reaching for their calculators. The business cycle. It's the economic equivalent of your favorite roller coaster ride. Up, down, twist, and turn. You might scream, laugh, or maybe even cry along the way. The business cycle is all about the natural ups and downs in economic activity, like that unfortunate crazy diet everyone's been on at least once. It consists of 4 stages. Imagine you're on the rise like a souffle that never seems to flop. The economy grows, unemployment drops, and consumers sing the sweet symphony of spending. So you've reached the top of the Ferris wheel, or maybe just your closet space's capacity. At this zenith, economic indicators like GDP are at their highest. Oops, hold on to your hats. Growth slows down. Unemployment might creep up like a nosy neighbor, and it feels a bit like everybody hit the snooze button all at the same time. Then there's the dark before the dawn, the great economic sigh before things start looking up again. Once you hit the bottom, there's nowhere to go but up. That is unless you dig holes in your backyard for fun. Businesses, policymakers, and economists track these cycles to make strategic decisions, though I'm sure sometimes they just feel like folks trying to balance on a seesaw with a playful elephant. Economics may seem intricate, but it's all around us, affecting everything from our daily choices to global markets. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you in my next video to your left.